Good morning friends, I am Shabina. Today we are going to discuss about ammunition. So first of all, what is ammunition? Ammunition generally is cartridge. It refers to four components, that is primer, propellant, missile and some form of cartridge case. So there are various types of ammunition like rimfire ammunition, centerfire ammunition, caseless ammunition and many more. So in rimfire ammunition, what happened? The primer is placed inside the rim of the cartridge case. It is placed inside the rim. In centerfire ammunition, there is a central battery cup. There is a cup in which the primer is placed, and it is and when the primer kept in the battery cup is ignited, the entire primer burnt. Another type is caseless ammunition. Here what happened? There is no cartridge case. Means there is a bullet and the propellant is placed around it as a single solid ball. Nothing is kept inside. There is no case. Another type is blank ammunition. It is exactly like the bulleted ammunition, but there is no missile, there is no projectile here, and the tip of the cartridge case, it is either crimped or placed with some type of disc or something else, but there is no missile. Another type is tear gas cartridge. Tear gas cartridge is also like the blank ammunition, but it contains lacrimatory substance like CN gas, CS gas, CN gas, that is chloracetophenone gas. So it contains CN and CS gas. So these are some of the types of ammunition. There are dummy cartridges also, but these dummy cartridges, they contain neither primer nor propellant, and they are used for weapon functioning test only. So these are some of the type of ammunition. Now let's talk about primer cap types. There can be Burden primer or Boxer primer. Boxer primer, they are generally used for commercial purpose, and the Burden primer, they are normally used for military purpose, and both were developed in 1866 but by different persons. The Burden primer was designed by Colonel Burden, while the Boxer primer was developed by Colonel Boxer. Okay, and there's a term called flash hole. There is only one flash hole in Boxer primer and two in Burden. Battery cup system consists of a plain cup with no anvil. In case of Burden, the anvil is a part of the battery cup, but in case of Boxer, anvil is not a part. Battery cup primers are exclusively used in shotgun ammunition. There are various types of cartridge cases. Cartridge case is the material under which the whole ammunition is placed. So there are various types of cartridge case based on their shape. They can be straight, they can be rimmed, they can be riveted. There are various types.